We ask all passengers to remain seated for the duration of the ride and not to lean on the sides of the train, as this may cause it to stop suddenly.
Postal Railway. I'm Andy, your guide today, and I'm joined by Ray Middlesworth. Hi, Ray.
Hi. I worked here as an engineer for 27 years, keeping the trains running. But not just any other trains. This unique narrow gauge railway was designed to carry mail, not people. So if you're feeling a little cramped, that's why. And although we have a driver today, the original mail trains were driverless.
It was a huge network of automated... Let's go a bit further back to the early days in the 1930s. Then there was no email, texting or instant messaging. Whatever the message, it was sent through the post. So there was a lot of mail time. Trainloads of mail arrived at every station, every few minutes, with less than 60 seconds to unload and reload. Let's follow a few of those letters. The central London, carrying mail between main railway stations and sorting offices much faster than along the congested World War. But when the railway finally opened in 1927, it cut the journey time.
It was an engineering marvel. MailRail ran almost non-stop night and day for over 75 years until 2003.
As we explore, we'll be going back in time to see tunnels, loading platforms, and a few surprises. We'll be at our first stop in a few minutes.
Before us. When MailRail was running, this platform would be a hive of activity. You'd see people playing darts between the trains arriving, guys conversing back and forth, and wheeling work up and down. It was a noisy and lively place to work.
Ray's going to tell you more about life working on the railway as we take a trip down memory lane through the many decades of MailRail.
enjoyed your tour of London's hidden coastal railway. It was unique, and I love being part of the great team keeping the railway running.
We hope you'll enjoy exploring the rest of the exhibition just as much.